Hi everybody, thank you for coming to my YouTube channel, and I just wanted to continue my series on how to apply eyeshadow when you have glasses. Now, not everybody that has glasses can take them off or wear contacts, so we have to do something a little bit different. I actually apply my eyeshadow with my glasses on, and I'll show you guys how to do that today. I believe this is number 6 of doing this, so I'll show you guys how to do that. Now we're going to be working with Younique's Addiction Eye Palette number 4, and this one has absolutely gorgeous browns and blues. So I worked with the blues on one of my other videos, and today we'll be working with these 4 browns here. So they are Tender, Arrogant, Brave, and Secretive. The 2 middle ones, Arrogant and Brave, are nice matte colors, and Tender and Secretive have a nice shimmer to them. The tools that we'll be using today are our liner shader brush, blending brush, we'll be using the eyeliner pencil Prim, and we'll be using Younique's Epic Mascara. So let's get at it, you guys. So first you want to make sure that you are working with clean brushes, and we're going to dip into Tender. And you just dip in the brush on all sides. You don't have to scrape at these. They're mineral eyeshadows, so they're really, really soft and they stay nice. So we're just gonna go right to the lash line and apply the Tender. I'm gonna go in again and get into the crease with this. And we're gonna go up into our brow line as well. And these eyeshadows, because they're mineral eyeshadows, they're so soft, they're so nice to use. I really do like them. The next thing we're gonna go in with is Arrogant. And we are gonna cover half of our eyelid with that. And I just went in on the tip of it. And again, make sure you're getting to your lash line. And you wanna go halfway with this. And up into your crease, again, about halfway. Now we're gonna go in with our blending brush, and we're gonna brush this out and a little bit up. And then we're gonna go in with Brave, and we're just gonna put this into our crease above where we put our last shade, just like that. And again, take your blending brush. This is an absolute must. If you guys like your eyeshadows, this is a must, because if you make any mistakes, this can really help mask your mistakes and really blend everything in so that your eyes look the same, because especially when you're applying with glasses, it's not easy to do, and you definitely want something to be able to blend with. And then with Secretive, we're gonna again, I'm not showing you, just dip in the tip. And I'm gonna take off the excess. And this one we're just gonna put in the middle of our eye. Just like that. And again, we're gonna blend, and again, blend outward. Just like that, you guys. Now we're gonna go in with our pencil. Now, Younique's pencils are really super, super soft. I really like them. I've had pencils from like drugstores, London Drugs, places like that, and the pencils feel like you're putting on an HB pencil onto your eye. It's like so hard to put on. Nothing comes off. So you're just scraping and scraping at your eye. Not with these, you guys. They are so soft. They go on so well. So I'm gonna go underneath and just put it along my lash line. Just like that. Now you take your blending brush again and wipe it off a bit so that you're not getting a whole bunch of eyeshadow. And you just blend it in right to the corner. You can also use your finger to go in and do that, but I find the blending brush honestly works really, really well. just like that. Then the last thing we're going to go in with is mascara. Now, I have not figured out how to put mascara on with my glasses on. If anybody knows, please drop a comment below and tell me how to do it. Like, set up your own video, let me know how to do it, because I have no clue. I cannot get it in between my glasses there. So I'll be putting this on. I'll be taking my glasses off. I have a mirror here, but I'll probably actually be using the camera, just so I might be getting a little close and personal to you guys. So normally I show off our 4D mascara, but I want to show you our Epic as well, because it really is a fantastic mascara. This is the one I actually wear the most, and I have it in black, but it also comes in brown and waterproof. And it is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful mascara. It is so light and so easy to use, and it doesn't clump, it doesn't like flake off during the day. It is an absolutely fantastic mascara, so I absolutely love it. And I think I got a little bit right there, so I'll wipe that off. And there's the finished look, you guys. I'm gonna complete this eye off camera and I'll show you guys the finished look. Okay, I'll be right back. Everyone, I'm back. So there's the finished look. So this is a really nice look for every day, or if you're even going out on a date. I think it's absolutely fantastic. So again, you guys, we used Unique's Addiction Palette number 4, and we used all of the brown colors. That's all of these. So it's Tender, Arrogant, Brave, and Secretive. And in another video, I used these ones, Honest, Cheerful, and Triumphant. This is an absolutely gorgeous palette, especially for a really sophisticated look. It's absolutely fantastic. And as always, I love the Addiction palettes because they're magnetic, so they close nicely. Absolutely fantastic. They stay. If you can even take this in your purse, it's not going to be opening and messing everything up. And then we also worked with our liner shader brush and our blending brush. Now this brush, I'm sorry, is a must. If you don't have a blending brush, get one. It is absolutely fantastic. My link will be below, and definitely get one, you guys. We also worked with the liner Prim. Now this is an absolutely gorgeous, nice light brown. And we worked with the Epic Moodstruck mascara. This is fantastic. I wear this almost daily, and it is such a nice, soft, it's not heavy, it doesn't clump. This stuff is fantastic, you guys. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know how you guys apply your mascara, your eyeshadow, your eyeliner when you have glasses. I'd like to see everybody else's videos too. Let's make sure that YouTube has videos for everybody. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Love you. Bye.